Now I request to Professor P.N. Kalla sir to say few words for us.
శ్రీ రమ్మిగా మాట్లాడకరా.
Hello. Hello. Good morning, everybody.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్.
As Dr. A.K. Purohit has already told you the various concepts, what is the inception and why the Teachers' Day are to be celebrated in India, but I am just add something what Dr. Purohit has told you. There are as you all are aware about that, the Government of India has recently announced this National Education Policy, and there is a great role of the teacher in this policy, and every teacher has to play a very important role in implementation of this policy. There are 4 characteristics of the teacher, and all initiated from the A alphabet. If a teacher can enhance the awareness to the students, what is going on in India or world or in the state also, but the students are not aware about what is going on. How many program of far-reaching significance has been launched by the government, which is beneficial for the students. The students, even the teachers are not aware, and therefore the first and foremost parameter of a teacher is just to enhance the awareness among the students. That initiated from the A alphabet A. And I told you, and I was a director academic staff college, and I initiated only the lecture for the teacher. Let us enhance the awareness of the teacher community. Even in the teachers is not aware about what is going on and how many program is for reaching significance by the government has initiated for the welfare of the teachers and students. And there are 10 days courses. And even still I let you know, still the teachers are not aware then how they can disseminate the technology to the students, and therefore the first and foremost parameter or a faculty development program of the teachers. And the technology is moving so fast day by day, and the technology is moving, system of education is moving, and what is happening nowadays, and this is the most parameter A is an awareness. And the second characteristics of a teacher must be attitude. Also is initiated from the A attitude, means the teachers must have a favorable attitude to the students, and he favorably transfer the technology. Sometimes what happened, teachers when came from the house and on the way he is having some disturbance in family or some on the way, his attitude remain negative, and at that time what happened, he is not in a position to disseminate the technology, transfer the information to the students in the right perspective, because his attitude himself is a negative. And therefore, while initiated your lecture, the teacher must be having a positive attitudes towards the welfare of the students, toward welfare of the state also, and to the welfare of the state and nation. What type of attitude? This is ranging from negative to positive attitude. This has been happened. And if the teacher's attitude is positive, definitely the student will learn more efficiently and implement the idea in their own mind. And the teachers are positive. And students also, while attending the class, sometimes what happens, they are physically present in the class but mentally somewhere else. Even you ask some question to the student, now let me know what I have told earlier, before 10 minutes before. Somehow what happened, physically they are in the class, mentally they are somewhere else. Now this is my job in afternoon, why I will do like this, in the morning I did like this. Why? When you are mentally and physically both are present in the class, then only when you can learn what teachers have told you. And therefore the attitude must be positive of the teacher and student both. Then only when the system is prevail in the right perspective. The education policy is dealing only this aspect also. Now, if you have gone through these things, sometimes the teachers must have the negative attitude. This is wrong. This is the second and foremost characteristics of a teacher and students. Then third parameter is an accountability. What is the accountability of a teacher? Accountability of teacher is just to prepare the class note, prepare the lecture which is going to be delivered within a day or two. Sometimes what happens, the teachers are not well aware about the technology, well aware about the concept. Suppose the student may raise any question about the teacher, he is sometimes depressed because he himself is not being prepared. And therefore I advise all the teachers, they must be ready before one day. I just giving you one example to you. One of the senior most professors and even the vice chancellor, if you are not happen to be a defense minister or prime minister or chief minister, you must have a guardian language. The teacher must be prepared well in advance so that he can deliver the technology in right perspective, in passes the information in right perspective, and he must have a wider horizon. In all respect of the life, he has delivered the lecture in a proto, and therefore this is the accountability of the teacher. And what is the accountability to the student? Sometimes what happens, a student is not accountability what he has learned in the morning, and why not he write down these points, and he must be prepared. Now I am fully prepared and I will confess all the parameters to the teachers also. This is the accountability. If the three parameters are clear for the teachers and students, the only one remain left is and put the action. Whatever you have learned in this educational policy or teaching in the class, you put in your action when examinations are in process. You have to put forth in the action form. Then only when the teacher must come to know that whatever I passes the information, the students have learned in right perspectives. This is an action. Action can be revealed by the appearing the examination and evaluation system. And so that this is my own message at the Teachers' Day to the teachers and students also. They must learn about the all four characteristics, and while delivering this lecture, they must be ready. Sometimes what happens, there are certain paucity of the teacher, right? Oratorial skill, temperamental skill of a teacher, paucity, how many words he can speak within a 1 minute. There are so many of characteristics, and the communication skill of a teacher must be very excellent. He must speak only 30 words per minute. Then only when the student can learn. There are so many of parameters of the communicator of a teacher. What characteristic of he must have an appearance. Physical appearance of teacher must be very nice. If your appearance is not good, if your way of standing is not good, oratorial skill is not good, temperamental skill is there, and that teacher must be taken care of before he attending this class. And the second in message, what message you want to deliver? What is your topic of this today's lecture? Whether these things are relevant to you or not. And suppose you have very excellent communicator, you have very excellent message also. Sometimes what happens, even in the colleges, some of the students are English medium, some of are Hindi medium. You must have a capable the treatment of these messages. You must know the vernacular language. You can speak in Hindi, in English, in local language also. Sometimes what happens, we have to give examples in the local language so that the student can learn and attend a very effectively manner. And the fourth is a channel. What is the channel? Sometimes what today's one, you know, everybody is facing the problem of this channel. Some of the teachers, they are not habitual of taking a classes through PowerPoint. Some of them are using the traditional method. You must be well aware about all concept of the life. Today now you know it is a scenario of the COVID. Only the online lecture is only the best idea. Otherwise there is no other idea one can implement in the right perspective. You must have to select the channel. Which channel is appealing to the all students so that they can attend the class regularly. The teacher must have an idea and what type of facilities are these available. And the last but not the least is an audience. You have to find out what type of audience are appearing in the class. Whether they, because the students are started from infancy step, once they clear the 10+2 and enter in the university, you know these students are even at the bottom of these things where they enter in the college. And therefore, what I advise that in every university or every college, a senior professor must be associated but to first year class, so that he can make the enhanced awareness to the students. These all are characteristics of the teachers and students. Then only when, then this is a role, as already suggested in the new education policy, there are certain system has been changed, and the teacher must be well aware. Then only when this is the right system to transfer this technology. I hope you can implement these ideas in toto, so that our teaching system in India can be enhanced so effectively. Thank you very much for your patience hearing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for inspiring us and told about the best methodologies for teaching. I hope it is very beneficial for us in our teaching prospectus. I hope all the students will also benefited from all of these. So at the end of this event, I would like to thanks to all of you for joining us and spend your time for us. This is a very, very good lecture for all of us. Thank you so much.